What's up, it's Bree. Welcome back to my channel. So today, you guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get your closure wig to look like this. This is a closure wig from Wiggins.com. A very affordable hair company. This is a closure wig, meaning it's no lace on the side. The only lace you have to worry about is right here. So I'm going to show you guys quickly on how I get this. This style literally takes me 15 minutes to do. I use mousse all over the hair to get this beautiful curl. So if you're interested in seeing how I got my hair like this, go ahead and continue to watch this video. It's simple, it's cute, and I think it's perfect for the summertime. So if you guys want to see how I get this beautiful closure wig, go ahead and continue to watch. Alright guys, so the wig is on. Oh my gosh, these curls are so beautiful. It's not too kinky. It's more like it's like a deep wave, but it's like, oh, I just love this type of curls. So all I did was take it off the mannequin. I did over bleach it a little bit, but I'm gonna fix it. And we're gonna go ahead and put this thing on. I'm gonna push this to the back. And I'm gonna just put this on. I'm not gonna talk much because you guys always see me put this on, so I'm just gonna put it on. All I did was just cut it in half, and then I'm gonna cut the lace off. Zigzag motions. Okay, the lace is pretty much cut off. I usually cut majority all of my lace off. If I leave a little bit, you could barely see it. I just like when my lace is off. Yeah, you guys, I pretty much just shaved a little bit of my baby edges, baby hair, whatever you call it. All I did was just take a little bit of the hair out and cutting it short. I like very short baby edges. I don't like it to look long. So I'm just taking little random pieces and just cutting it really short. The shorter it is, the more natural it looks. You want to make sure you do baby edges pretty much all the way around. Okay, so that's where we at right now. Now I'm gonna mousse this and tie my hair down a little bit, and then we'll show you guys the finish. Yeah, this is pretty much it. It's so light. I like the fact that it's not super thick. I'm gonna turn around and let you guys see the bag. Here's the front. I'm gonna fix my part a little bit because I kind of over bleached it. So I'm gonna just take some mascara and close up my part a little bit. You can do a defined part and add a little foundation, concealer in your part. Okay, I'm gonna let it dry completely and then I'm gonna show you guys how it looks after. Hey guys, this is my third day wearing my unit. I am feeling it, you guys. I'm finally feeling it. The other day I had it styled like pushed back, but I really like the way it looks today. It is really cute. These curls are everything, y'all. Oh my gosh, these curls are so beautiful. I'm gonna turn around, let you guys see the curls from the back. So shout out to Wiggins Hair for sending over this beautiful closure wig. I have no lace there, but it's cute lace here. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you guys check out their company, and yeah.